position.
Look.
Joe, do it right.
You can't follow this bitch, man.
He moves just way too fast.
Me and Tanya were doing it.
Look, she's fucking you up,
Look.
man. For real.
Why y'all gotta give us a hard one?
For real. Why can't we do something we already watch?
Hey, come here. You gotta go back and forth. You gotta go back and forth, Joe.
No.
You can't just sit in one spot.
Why not?
Because.
It fell out of my pants.
Joe!
It fell in my pants.
It'll still do it. It'll still do it.
How are you supposed to keep up?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah!
This shit ain't fair.
Why y'all gotta give us a hard one? Y'all's was the same thing over
Okay,
and
we'll
over.
do this one, okay? Let's see if we get some more stalkers. Casey's got one song, Joe, you suck dick. Joe's still doing it. He's doing whatever he wants. You got that part down, Casey.
What? Can you not just sit here and shake your ass and then
No.
fucking get all the points?
Yeah.
That's how y'all been cheating.
Look, my thing's in my pants, so it's not reading.
It is reading. See, it's saying hot. Look, it's
Okay.
hot. What are you doing, babe?
So I'm fucking, I don't know.
Okay, it's me.
No,
Don't
that's
you?
Casey. You gotta press Press it, resume.
You got a resume already?
Huh?
I am.
Go to resume, yeah.
Ugh.
Do that, babe.
You can't fucking. See, she switches up every time I get ready. Take a look.
Alright, I'm tired, y'all. I can't do it no
No,
more.
come on, you gotta finish the song up.
How much longer is it
Joey,
got?
surely you
That's
have
because it's some
to
long
dance
ass
like
fucking music. You gotta look back, Joe.
You're not even doing what she's doing.
That's what
Somebody
she's
press
doing.
Pause. You press pause. Somebody did. Player one, Joe.
It fell in my pants.
You gotta put it in your pants, Joe. You got that down? Look, you're learning. You already know what she's doing.
Oh, I'm You gotta shake the leg, Joe. Shake the leg.
Oh my god, I love y'all. Look, you got this one down. Jesse, keep going. You already got 4 stars. Joe only got 1. He's just shaking his ass so he gets stars.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to do this shit. This bitch is fast.
Oh,
What?
That's all the stars they got. She said.
Alright, y'all, sorry.